In this video, I will show you how to download Sportsfire on Firestick. So to get started, make sure that you have the downloader app installed on your Firestick. And make sure that you have a VPN to use for this. Since the Sportsfire application might not be available into your area, so go ahead and open that downloader application on your Firestick. And inside this, you'll be able to find the search field where you can simply enter the link or the code of the application that you want to download. So simply enter the code or the link into the section. After that, go ahead and hit on that go button to start downloading that application into your Fire Stick. In this section, make sure that you click on that install button to continue on installing this application to your Fire Stick, and hit on that install button at the bottom right of your screen again to continue on installing the Sportsfire application on your Fire Stick. Once this is done installing, you'll be able to find Sportsfire on your app list. You can simply access that and use the Sportsfire application to watch your best videos, your favorite videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.